Triangle ABC has side of length n plus 2, 3 and minus 1, where n is an integer. What is the perimeter of the triangle? Now, in the triangle, by the sides, only one property we can see can be applied here, that is, sum of any two sides should be greater than the third side, only then the triangle will exist. So using this property, we will just quickly try to understand that what exactly are the possible ranges of n. Now we understand because sum of any two sides is greater than the third side, and we know that n is not the longest side because this third side must be the longest side for that property to be satisfied, right? So let's quickly check. We can say that n plus 2 must be greater than 3n minus 1. That's one scenario. If we simplify this, we see that 2n plus 2 should be greater than 3n minus 1, which gives us n should be less than 3. So that's one condition. Now let's look at other possible condition. We can say that n plus 3n minus 1 should also be greater than n plus 2. Now let's quickly check. And so we have 4n minus 1 should be greater than n plus 2. That means we understand that 3n should be greater than 1 and n should be greater than 1 over 3. Now, knowing these informations, all we can see is that the possible values of n could be either 1 or it could be 2 because n must be less than 3. Let's start with one possible value of n, which is 1. If n is equal to 1, then n plus 2 and 3n minus 1 will become 1, 3 and 2 in 3 into 1, that means 3 minus 1, 2. Now let's take another possibility. For n equal to 2, n becomes 2, n plus 2 becomes 4 and 3n minus 1 becomes 3 into 2, that means 6 minus 1, that is 5. But now we once again have to see that here 1 plus 2 is not greater than 3, that means this is not a possible case of triangle. While in this case 2 plus 4 is greater than 5, that means this is acceptable case, and that gives us the perimeter of the triangle will be equal to 2 plus 4 plus 5, that is equal to 11, and therefore the answer to the question becomes option A. Thank you so much.